Hi all, welcome to Design Engineers Telugu. In this section, we are going to discuss about Boolean operations. Okay, so in these Boolean operations, we have three main tools. Those are add, remove, intersect. And we have three more tools which are secondary. Those are assembly, union trim, remove lump. These three are secondary and mostly we will use these three tools. Okay, so before starting the Boolean operations, I want to explain about this add, remove, intersect. Okay, most of you already knows about these tools. Okay, those are coming from school days onwards, but still once again I'm explaining those. First one is add. Add means if you take any two bodies, if you want to make them a single body, you can use add. Remove means we can also call it as subtract. If you want to remove one body from the other body, you will go for remove. And third one is intersect. Means if you want to get a common portion, means if you take any two bodies, if those are intersecting with each other, then if you want that intersection portion, you will go for intersect, means common portion. Okay, in both bodies whatever the common portion we have, only that we will get. Okay, so remaining about these tools we will discuss further in the class. So before discuss about these tools in depth, we should know what is the importance of Boolean operations and why we need to use and where we will use these Boolean operations. Okay, so first let us see why we need to use these Boolean operations. Suppose if you want to remove any material from the body, generally we will go for a pocket and we will remove material. But that will become a negative operation. Okay, so instead of that, if you use remove option, we will get same result, but it will become a positive operation. Okay, so now you come to know, right, why we need to use Boolean operations. We use Boolean operations to create positive operations. Okay, so now let us see where we will use these Boolean operations, like where we will use this positive operation, negative operations, why these all are come under picture. Generally, while machining, few companies are directly generating the coding from the 3D model. In such case, CNC machine will not take negative operations. Okay, so that is why we need to create only positive operations. Also, some companies they are using Boolean operations to create future groups. Okay, you know, right? Future group means we will create all related futures into a single group. So while machining, it will be very useful. Okay, it will be easy to machine in fact. Okay, and also Boolean operations are very helpful while making drawings. Okay, so like this, we have so many reasons to use these Boolean operations. Okay, so now let us see how to use these Boolean operations. Okay, so if you want to use Boolean operations, you need to take a body first. Okay, so here if you go to insert, in insert you will get a body. You need to select the body and then you need to create a model. Okay, suppose for example, if you want to create a box, you can create like this. Okay, so here I'm adding material by using pad like this. I have added material for this for that rectangle. Okay, so now here we have one body and now I'm taking another body. Again we need to go to insert and we need to take a body. Now I'm creating one more body on this object. Suppose for example a circle. I will make a cylinder now. So see here I'm adding material using pocket. Okay, so I'm clicking on pocket. Now I'm giving mirror action See here, here we got a body, right? Actually what we did here, we did a pocket, right? So we need to get a slot over here or hole over here. But what happened? Here we got a cylinder. Okay, generally in body, if you use pad or pocket, you will add the material. By using those two tools we can add the material. Generally pocket means we need to remove the material, right? But in bodies it will add the material. Okay, so now let us see, here we have two bodies, right? Now I'm using add. Okay, generally if you select this body, it is getting select individually, right? So if you select this one, it is also getting select individually. Okay, so here we have two bodies, body 2 and body 3. Now I'm using add. Now we need to select two bodies. I have selected two bodies and then click on OK. See what happened? These two bodies become a single body, and that also positive operation. See here we have plus, right? Positive operation. If we have minus over here, that will become negative operation. Okay, so here by using two bodies we have created a single body. Okay, so that is what add. Okay, now I am undoing this. Okay, so Control Z. See here we have two bodies now again. Okay, one is pocket, another one is pad. Okay, now I'm using remove. Okay, so now I'm selecting this cylinder and then here I'm selecting the body. Okay, remove from this body. Okay, see what happened? Here again we got a single body, that too positive operation, and we got a hole over here. Okay, this is what remove. Suppose here I'm just undoing this again. Here we have added pocket, right? I'm deleting this pocket. What I will do is I will create same cylinder, but in this case I'm adding material by using pad. Okay, again mirror extend. Okay, okay, here also we have two bodies. Okay, both are pads only. Now I am selecting remove and I want to remove this from this body. Click on OK. See again we got a hole, right? So that means in remove option, if you use whether pad or pocket, we can able to remove that object. Okay, so it is not matter whether you are using pad or pocket. Okay, so only these tools makes the matter. Okay, so here it is about remove. Okay, if you want to remove one body from the another body, you will go for remove option. Okay, and now I'm going to intersect. Okay, so intersect means again I'm undoing this, Control Z. So here we have two bodies. Okay, so now I'm clicking on intersect and I'm selecting these two bodies, then click on OK. So now here we will get the common portion, whatever the common portion we have in these two bodies. Okay, only that common portion you will get here. Suppose if you see like this, see here we have this common portion, right? Only this you will get. Suppose for example, what I am doing here is I'm just changing this somewhat. Okay, I'm giving till this here, or if you want to increase that, you can increase. Okay, until next also, but here I'm adding material up to here only. Okay, then click on OK. Now here only this area is the intersection area. So now we will get only this as our intersection area. Okay, so only this volume we will get now. See, suppose for example I'm selecting intersecting again I'm selecting intersect again. I'm selecting two bodies. Okay, see, only this area we got, right? So this is what intersect. Okay, so hope you got these three tools, right? Okay, in next video we will discuss about this assembly, re- union trim, and remove lump. Okay, so thank you all, thank you for watching. And also I would like to thanks to Komali and Chetan. Thanks to both of you, you guys added value for this video. Without your cooperation I couldn't do this video. Actually from the beginning I'm into sheet metal only. Till now I didn't use this boolean operations in my work. So I used to have so many doubts in fact. So you guys have clarified all those. So thanks to both of you, and thanks to all watching for this video. Have a nice day. Bye.